Hi, once again, it's Mike from Take My Money, and in this video, we're taking a look at the DJI Flip, recently launched from the guys at DJI. It weighs under 250 grams, which means you don't have to register this drone in most cities. You don't need a license to fly it. And the cool thing about the Flip is it has comes with the same features as the DJI Neo. I decided to upgrade to the Flip because it has a better camera. Don't get me wrong, the Neo is a really good drone, compact, versatile, has a ton of features. You can enjoy this drone, but if you want to up your video quality, then the Flip is the way to go without breaking the bank. So I already unboxed this, and I'll show you what comes in the box. It comes with a controller. This is a base controller that you have to pair your phone. And it comes with the cables for Android and the older iPhones. And this is what the DJI Flip looks like. To be frank with you, it looks like a shrimp. That's what it looks like. The cool thing about it, it's also collapsible. And when you unfold the wings, the Flip powers on immediately. In comparison, this is what it looks like against the DJI Neo. So like I told you earlier, this is I don't even know what to say. It's a very good drone. It's a family-friendly drone. Anyone can fly this. Just pick it up and go. You don't even need a controller for both of them. Like I said, to power on your Flip, first of all, let me take the lens protector off so you can see what the cameras look like. Almost the same sensor as that of the DJI Mini Pro. Better quality than what you get with the Neo. So I bought these drones for running videos. I run outside and I need to capture like cool shots, or I need the drones to follow me when I run. And the reason why I upgraded to this as well is it has 31 minutes of flight time, and I could finish a 5K race in less than 31 minutes. So I'm going to take this out for a run today, and I'll let you guys know how it performs. But this is how you power on. And that's it, it's powered on right now, and this is where you select let me see, there's a button for selecting the modes for flying the Flip. So now I think I would go through the selection so you guys can hear. And like I said, this is that camera, better stabilization than the Neo itself. So listen.
Droney.
That's a droney.
Circle.
There's a circle move for the drone to circle around and capture some shots.
Rocket.
There's a rocket mode.
Spotlight.
Spotlight.
Direction track.
Direction track will track you from any angle or any position the drone starts from. So if it starts from the front, it's going to track you from there. Bear in mind, it has like a sensor for obstacle detection, but it's not like the Mini Pro that has like 360 obstacle detection and maneuvering. But at least it's better than nothing. And then
Follow.
This is a follow mode, which most runners or anyone would use. So when you select the mode you want, all you have to do is hold it for a couple of seconds and it would activate.
Medium. Follow. 3, 2, 1.
So you see that's it in front of me. I'm not moving anywhere, so it's just going to stay there. And with this, you can also listen to how loud it sounds. And to land the drone, you put your palm under the drone and it's going to land. Or you just pinch it and push it and that's it. So that's it for this video. I'll be taking it out for a run, and I'll let you guys know how it performs. Once again, it's Mike from TechnoMoney.com. Stay tuned for the next one.